Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Armor All AA255W wet/dry utility vacuum, one of the most compact, powerful, and affordable shop vac style cleaners designed for garages, cars, workshops, and home DIY cleanup. Taking a short pause, let's get into the breakdown. 1. Power and motor performance. The AA255W runs on a 120V AC motor, delivering strong suction for its size. It's engineered specifically for car interiors, small workshops, and quick wet spills. Despite being lightweight, the motor moves debris quickly: dust, pet hair, sand, crumbs, sawdust, and minor wet spills. 2. 2.5-gallon tank capacity. The 2.5-gallon polypropylene tank is the sweet spot for portability. It doesn't get too heavy, yet it holds enough capacity to clean a full car interior without emptying. Works well for garage cleanup, woodworking dust, and small liquid spills. 3. Wet and dry cleaning. This vacuum supports full wet/dry capability, meaning you can pick up wet messes, dry debris, liquid spills, detailing drips, muddy floors. The built-in float shutoff system prevents overflow during wet suction. 4. Includes car-friendly attachments. You get a complete accessory set: crevice tool, detail brush, utility nozzle, blower nozzle, hose plus accessories bag. These attachments make car cleaning extremely versatile, especially the narrow crevice tool for tight spaces. 5. Built-in blower function. With a quick switch, it becomes a blower. Great for drying car interiors, blowing leaves, or cleaning garage corners. 6. Compact and easy to carry. Lightweight, small footprint, top handle for easy carry. Perfect for people who want a shop vac but don't have storage space. The cord and hose wrap neatly around the body. 7. Should you review it? If your channel covers car care, detailing, home tools, DIY, or product reviews, yes, this is a perfect product. It gives great visual content. Suction demonstrations. Wet pickup. Car detailing results. Before/after cleaning. It also performs strongly on Amazon, so affiliate conversions are usually high. 8. Final thoughts. The Armor All AA255W is a compact, powerful, budget-friendly wet/dry vacuum that fits perfectly into any car enthusiast's garage or home workshop. Ideal for auto detailing, small messes, and fast cleanup. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.